What's up, guys? We out here at Adams Sports Mart. We're just getting ready to get some bait, waiting for them to open up. We're about to head out to the lake. Come on, Sweeney Outdoors. Y'all watch us catch some slabs, bro. Y'all. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Sweeney Outdoors. We are currently on Chickahominy Lake. We just rented a boat from Ed Allen's right here. We'll show you Ed Allen. And they got little John boats, as you can see right here. Very comfortable for all of us. We're gonna try to catch us some fish today. Solely targeting crappie and whatever panfish we could probably get. So we'll catch whatever bites come on. We ain't leaving unless we got something put between two pieces of bread, baby. So let's see what happens. Y'all ready?
Sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Sweeney Outdoors. Look, we got us one here. Let's get this bucket up.
Daddy.
Hey, first fish. Yes, sir. We didn't even get the cameras up yet. We forgot all about it. We were so excited. All right, let's get it going, guys. Okay. Give me another one, baby. Yes, sir, son. Okay. What we got going on here? Get back over here. Big old crappie, baby. Look at that crappie, son. Good God, boy.
You got that on camera on it?
Yeah,
I got it on my camera, too. Golly, dude. Look at that joker, boy. Oh, my God, son.
That is so big.
Yeah. That's a slab. Come on.
Daddy, I need you to take my thing out again and put it right in that slab.
He's not very happy.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
That's another for the bucket, baby.
Ow, bro.
Look at rolling.
Let's go, son. Oh, what is this?
Oh, yeah, Daddy's got another one. Need that?
Coming around, coming around. Don't know what it is. Something big. Get the net, get the net. Oh, it came off, dude.
No, put it back in.
Come on.
I'm getting the net ready. What do you think it was?
I don't know.
Like a catch.
Learn from my mistakes. One time had some heartache. I know when the hurting stopped.
Let me see here. Looked like something tore into it.
Does it rain?
Yeah, what you got?
I think I got a big crappie.
Oh, big crappie.
Big crappie.
Bring it over here, bring it over here. Oh, bring it over here. Ah, yeah, nice crappie, sis. Yeah.
Got water all over me.
Nice crappie.
Thank you. I caught it myself.
All right, I guess it's minnow time. Look at that crappie, sis. Heck yeah.
Already three.
Let me see it.
Whoa, whoa,
Let me see it.
Huh? What? Bait caster. No, on a pole.
I dropped him. Because they're all in here. We just gotta figure out where they're at. Okay, so you're set up now. Sis, get him, sis, get him, sis!
Oh crap!
Jerk, jerk! Look at this, another one.
I'm so good at this.
I know you are.
I love fishing.
Dang, look at this. Bring him on in, sis. Nice, we got another slab. That's what I'm talking about, sissy.
Got my hook.
Good stuff, sis. We might be going bad. Y'all switch over to minnows.
That's what I've been using.
Alright guys, we out here in my little spot. We're already throwing them in a bucket, baby. Check it out. Woo! Slabs for days. Come on, let's get it, son. So what the fish do is they swim through here looking for bait. So as they swim through, we want our bait where they're swimming.
I know where to swim. Y'all are. You have all your poles up there. I got a pole. Technically half a pole.
Uh-oh, what we got?
Huh? Is it yours? Borrowing it. You want that deal spit? No.
Daddy, did you catch chico?
Yeah, yeah, I've caught two.
I caught two, yeah, four.
Yeah, you got the biggest one though.
Okay, you got the second biggest.
I wish I'd have got that catfish. Uh-oh, there's one, there's one.
Nobody's going to
There's one.
Hey, you might be saying that. What's that?
Big old crappie. Slap him in there. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. Get him in the net.
You see him?
It's in the net. Nice. Nice.
Swallow that bait.
I know, I couldn't get the fish pole fast enough. Dang, hope I got this thing on. Is my camera on?
Yeah.
It is on?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that, colors on that thing.
This one.
Another thing that matters, Bray, is the way you hook the minnow.
Got hooked with tail.
We used to, for catfish, hooking it on the spine and just throwing it down.
Littler the minnow, the better. Just so you know. Look at that big turtleneck. Big turtleneck. Turtle, turtle. Alright guys, we're out here, just me and the kiddos, trying to catch us some crappie. So far, we're having a good time. We got fish in the boat. They are biting. Water temp seems to be about right where we want it to be at. So, everything's working pretty good. Oh, dang, look at that. Right off the bat. Hope I didn't miss it. Dang it. Did I miss him? I missed him. Shoot! Missed that sucker, man. Sorry, he didn't take it.
I'm getting you a minute, Eli. Be patient. Nope.
Oh, this one's going again. Nope, there it is. Okay. Whew.
Yeah.
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 Yep, just like that. That's good. A little higher up next time in the body. But that's how I do it.
I'm going to catch a 20-pound bass.
Got another one. Oh, I missed him. Daggone, man.
Hey, Daddy. He whistles. Look at them gooses. Gooses. why I like having one pole, so I can just sit there and watch. You miss all the fish you don't catch.
That's a true statement.
Daddy, see how far my minnow went? See how far my pole went?
Your minnow? Yeah.
Forgot to put my barrel thing.
There's one.
Guys, it is not looking good for y'all. So losing team has to buy the winning team something.
Net.
Net?
Oh, hold on. Boat flip.
Oh, you know. Where's your other dog? Because you usually catch something on your other one.
All right, try not to lose your minnow and toss it back out there. This is the hot spot right here. Eli, to the right of the tree.
I'm trying, bro.
Halfway. It's okay. Nice one, Bray. Just throw it in the bucket, son.
Bray caught one. Finally.
Look at that big turtle.
There's a big turtle right there.
Everyone's got their lines out. Bless you.
Got him, Eli. Heck yeah, Eli.
Nice, Eli.
I told you.
Nice.
What did I say?
Does he need a net? Need a net?
He got it.
Oh, you need a net for that. Don't chance that no more.
Well, it hit.
Nice one, dude. Did you have the camera on? Huh? Ha ha ha. It's all right, man. It don't matter. Hey, that's the spot, though. Let me see.
He's been let back.
Yes, sir.
Eli got one.
Look at how pretty he
They
is.
probably threw him back when he was little. That's like old.
Nah, we don't throw crap back. We keep him, baby. Hey,
Nice. 2-6.
Hey. Everybody on the board now.
2-6.
Yeah.
Off the worm.
Nice brim. Look at that thing. Yeah, they're out here.
Hey, I got that bird.
They're out here.
It's bigger than my Crappie.
Toss it straight out, sis. The wind's going to push us around again. Once you get past the tree, reel it in, do it again. Yeah, here. Here.
Oh, Eli got one.
Get him, Eli. Get him, Eli. Nice shell cracker.
Keep it.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this. Fish right here. Yes, sir, baby. Sitting right beside us. Look.
What are you gonna name it?
My camera on?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Do you not like worms, Daddy? What are you using? Oh, you're using minnows.
Look, got another one. Oh, net.
Net.
Great. Daddy.
Net. Quick before he gets off.
Oh, nice, Daddy.
Oh, yes, sir,
Now
son.
Daddy's got the biggest one.
Right by the boat, too. Just sitting right by the boat. Nice, dude. Look at that joker. Is my camera on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, son.
Good thing we found that perfect landing.
Yes. Let y'all look at that bad boy right there, son. Look at that. Golly, Bubba. You got one? Nice. Let him net it. What you got? Nice one.
Put it in y'all's bucket.
I need some pliers. Wait a minute. His mouth's big enough.
He's flying.
I would say his mouth's about big enough. I mean, I could hide in there.
Oh, I got it out. Look at that joker, boy.
Oh, yes.
Bro, you literally stubbed yourself.
There's a fish. Got a little fish. Shell cracker. Yep.
You don't throw that.
Nope. Draw that whole thing.
Or you're gonna use it for bait. Or
The
see?
pliers you
Swallow it.
yeah.
They're probably too big. So the pliers you used yesterday.
Oh, I can get it. I can get it.
Sure.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep him anyway, right?
Are we gonna keep it here, Daddy?
Yeah.
I think he got it.
Got it.
Well, Daddy seems like he's the only person who needs supplies.
Just simple throwing, trying to find good trees. There's cypress right here. It's little areas, shallow banks off to deep breaks. Seems to work the best for us for the most part. What's up, guys? We're rolling them right now. We're using a mix of beetle spins with different color jigs, live minnows, worms. You know, we're coming out here. We're trying to catch some fish. We got a good amount of fish. Not sure exactly how many. How many y'all think we got?
14.
14, so to say, but we'll see what the final count is at the end of the day. But hey, Chick Lake producing again, baby. You know, we got slabs for the freezer. So overall, good day. Sweeney Outdoors, son. Got something.
That. You see the way it's cold fish? Hook up.
Right.
We're stuck on the hook.
Hopefully I don't lose him.
Hurry up.
I'm trying to rip it off.
It's coming. Get ready with the net.
Hurry up. Got it.
Get ready with the net.
Got it?
Somebody's line is like getting tangled up. Whose line is this back here? Should never have been down
Your other
here.
one. 2 bars. Alright, pull them in.
I'm trying.
Wonder what it is.
Get ready. Get the line. Get it out the way, son.
Oh, holy crap.
What is it?
I don't know. I just saw a big, like, ominous black thing.
All right, get ready to net. Get ready to net. Get ready to net.
I'm getting ready to net.
Oh, it's a big grinnell.
Grinnell?
Yeah.
My hand to me. Where's that? Pick up.
I'm trying, son. Get it. Get right in front of his head. Right. Hold on. Hold on. Get him right there. Got him? Nice.
Jeez, I hate these things.
Nice. Pliers.
Right here.
Nice catch, Danny.
All right, get back.
Never wet.
Hope my camera was on the whole time.
Here.
It's on.
It's
Oh,
on.
nice. How about that? That was a fight. How about that, guys?
Try and eat it.
No, I'm not eating him.
That does taste good.
It's got teeth like no
Did you
other.
just break your hook?
No.
Let me see.
Oh, is your hook shut?
Check him out. No, he's got teeth.
Let me take a picture of you, Daddy.
Look, you got scars all over him and everything.
Yeah.
Probably from fighting with that one. I've
Daddy,
never seen a
look at me,
fish
turn around.
Oh,
No,
hold on. He's a slippery little fella.
Grinnell, man.
you can't grab him by a mouth, can you?
Worms coming out of his nose.
Right?
Let me see.
Smile.
Worms coming out of me.
Perfect. Yes.
Nice.
Kill it. They're
Yeah,
invasive, right?
throw him back.
No, they're invasive. They're invasive.
Yeah, we'll let him be.
They'll snatch right back and bite you in the toe.
It did break my hook.
It Told you. I saw your hook in there.
Why you gotta kill him for that? Gotta kill him for that.
No. Broke the hook. Good one, guys.
Hey, hey, give me a high five. Oh.
Hold on. There he goes.
Big fish.
High five. Hey, high five. High five. Can't reach that far.
I can't read the
Yeah, I got you from over here.
Air five. Throw it up against the bank and bring it out to you. Look, here goes another one. There he is. Got him.
That. You needing that?
Crappie. Nice crappie. Ah,
I saw one.
nice crappie.
He's a
Got
scrubbing
him.
one. Go.
Nice crappie.
Minnow.
I think I got him on the worm.
There you go with a minnow.
Oh, I did? There ain't but like 1 minute left. There's one right here. Come here.
Dead
Got him.
minnow.
Got him.
Is it dead or alive?
He's got a little life. He's got a little wiggle to his world.
Oh, this thing is trying to get out. Not in the state of America. Worms don't get out that easy.
Had to be the one I just missed.
Yeah, probably so.
That's a nice size crappie, Eli. Hopefully there's some more in here like that.
That's it.
Caught it on the bottom.
Nice.
Keep it.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh,
Right,
Bryce, come get it.
Delicious.
Bryce.
Alright guys, that we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We got some slabs in the boat. We had a little competition going, but I think we all lost count on who got what. But we're about to head back to Ed Allen's, turn the boat in, and then when we get to the truck, we'll pull these fish out, see how many we got, get a total count. So,
Yes, sir.
overall, beautiful day. It done got warm on us. I think it's about 80 degrees now. You know, late March, fishing out here. Crappie are turned up. Definitely hitting on the live minnows. A little bit of the beetle spin. But overall, good day. The whole boatload of crappie. So we'll see what the heaviest one is. We'll let you know when we get back to the truck. So y'all stay tuned now.
Swing outdoors, baby.
Swing outdoors. What's up, everybody? We're back at the house. So we ended up with 14 fish, 12 crappie. No, wait a minute here. 17 fish, 12 crappie, 4 brim, and we got a nice little ring perch along the way with that. But yeah, we're gonna see. I think we got the biggest one right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the scale just to see how we did here. So let's see. I'll let y'all know 0-0, just so y'all can see that. Here's the one we're weighing. So let's see what happens. See what we got. £1 pound 3 ounces, guys. 1 pound 3 ounces.
The biggest one.
That's a big old crappie right there. That's a big old crappie. So let's see, we got one more right here. This one's, I'm gonna say, is about a pound. So let's
Count
see.
one.
Pound 2 ounces.
1 pound 1 ounce. All right, not too bad. So hope y'all enjoyed this little video we made for y'all. Like I said, if y'all get a chance, go down to Ed Allen's, rent you a boat, go check out the Chick Lake. If you get hungry, check out Lakeside. Pretty good food there. Awesome people. So like, subscribe, and share. Sweeney Outdoors, baby.
Sweeney Outdoors, baby.
Outdoors. Oh.